Mercury, Venus, oh, Mars, Blueberry,
It's great.
on, Gray.
What? Oh no! Oh me! What?
And now the original fruit salad.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars,
Jupiter,
Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, blueberry, cherry tomato, grape, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Wait a second. Blueberry, cherry tomato, grape, moon, Pluto. P! Tick-tock! Oh no, Jupiter! Oh no! Fruit giants! Oh no! Watermelon, cantaloupe, orange, apple. Oh no! Oh me! Juicy orange, yummy watermelon. Huh? Juicy apple juice, juicy cherry. Yummy! Oh no! Fruit salad. Bleh, yucky. Solar system. Wait a second. There's no planets. Oh, run! Fast run! Okay, we're in the Kyper belt. Is it cold here? Yeah, it's filled of peas.
No.
No planets or stars were harmed in making of this film.
I don't think so.